Today we're here to talk about maintenance as it relates to solar. My name is Charles Fox. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing.
And I'm Warren Miller, the Director of Sales and Marketing here at Paradise.
So we all lead busy lives, and we're not looking to make our life more complex, add more things to it. You know, solar is another thing that could go wrong. If our viewers are busy people and have that mindset, maybe I like the investment, but I just don't want to make my life, I don't want to add anything else to my life. What would you respond, or how would you help the viewer?
One of the beautiful things about solar is that there's no moving parts. That's assuming you don't add technology or trackers into it. But if you have a solar array like we have here, Charles, or on your roof, there's no moving parts to the solar system. They just sit there and they work. But even better than that is there's no maintenance required from the homeowner or the business owner side of things. So if you buy a solar array from any reputable solar installation company, they'll maintain it for you. There's high voltage and electricity going through these arrays. We don't want customers climbing up on their roof.
Right.
Just leave the solar alone, it'll work. It's more important that you look at the company's warranties and make sure that they're going to guarantee what the solar is going to produce.
Right, and everybody looks at the solar panels as the thing that's going to fail. That's kind of the face of a solar project, but the reality is, if a solar panel works from day one, it's going to slowly get less efficient over time, but that is not your point of failure. One thing you're going to want to consider is your inverter. And your inverter is what's converting the power from DC to AC. At some point in 15, 20, no one knows, but typically 15 to 20 years, you're going to probably have to replace an inverter. That's going to be the maintenance that's required, and that's not even something you're going to do as a homeowner, as a business owner.
No. From a homeowner or business owner's perspective, there's really no maintenance when it comes to solar. Your solar installation company will take care of that for you. Your solar panels will sit there, they'll keep working. If you have an inverter failure down the line, your solar installation company will come out and replace or repair that inverter for you.
Yeah, and we get the question about snow. Snow is going to come on my panel.
Yeah.
Now that's going to require something of me to get the snow off the panel. Is that is that the recommendation?
Absolutely not. When we look at designing and engineering a system, we calculate the weather patterns for that specific location of that array, and we account for snow, pollen, dusting. Just leave the panels alone. The rain will wash them and clean them, and they'll produce what the company guaranteed them to produce.
Yeah, so just maybe to summarize this real quickly, is there's very little maintenance on a solar project, and don't let that be the limiting factor or the reason you choose not to go solar. And I would encourage you, talk to someone who has solar and find out what time investment it's created for them. And I think you're going to find that there's very little time requirement of a solar owner.
Yeah, great advice, Charles.